बीजेपी के आला सतह के लीडरान ने सिद्धरामैया की हुकूमत पर इल्जामात आयद किए कि फ्री के ऐलानात कर सिद्धरामैया हुकूमत आवाम को गुमराह कर रही है, आवाम को धोखा दे रही है।
We totally condemn the approach of the Congress government trying to increase the price of the power tariff is really condemnable, and even with regard to the cow slaughter bill, trying to withdraw the bill is really condemnable. It is against the Hindu sentiments, Hindu culture.
It is being said that as soon as you sit in opposition, you started
See, they came to power on what basis? They said there should not be any price rise, there should not be inflation. Now immediately they are responsible for the price rise, they are responsible for the inflation.